Do 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 do. Zelda. This is a limited edition that we got. Collector's edition, sorry. And let's see what's inside the box. They have like pictures, you know, amiibo, which I didn't know until today. You could says run, live, and do other stuff. Let's go see what's inside. Whoa. Has a Zelda amiibo. So it's a horse, looks like. Link Rider. So that's what this is. And it has like the Breath of the Wind sound selection. Oh, it looks like it's a CD or a DVD. It has like song selection, sound selection. So I guess it's like a soundtrack that you have in here. And inside this, sorry, it fell out. This, it looks like it's a map. Yeah, the secret map, Central Hyrule. And the other side is something like this. I have no idea. Maybe there's a secret way to look at it. Okay, so that's that. And they have a separator and cassette. If you look closely, we have another one that is not a set. Yeah, looks almost exactly the same, except for, if you look, the set is, it doesn't have a barcode, and the non-set, it doesn't have that. Since this is a special collector's, I'm not going to open this, but I'll open this one instead so you can see what's going on. Let's see if I could find where it's openable. I do not see, oh, it looks like there's a rip there. So I'll open that. Oh, it's torn open. Now I can't take it back to the store. Okay. And open inside, and whoa, that is a puny little, and it's shaky inside. It's a little bit bigger than an SD card, but it's like something's inside shaking. And it has humongous contacts on the back. But it's much smaller than I anticipated. Thank you very much. Oh, look, there's something else in here too. Sorry, the cameraman pointed this out. Looks like just a picture, pamphlet, a cover, which is a little bit different. And that's it.